that's alright. It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. With you, it's such a sweet escape. So if we leave, will anybody notice? If you don't wanna play these games, just tell me what you need and we can go there. Only if for the weekend, I just stepped out with my friends. Don't tell me that you're leaving. Think I came at the right time. Do you know what's on my mind? Can you stay for the evening? It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright.
When you fancy someone, how does your demeanor change?
I go a little bit crazy.
It depends on who they are.
I just like laugh more.
Do you know what? I'm kind of shy.
I'll be myself.
I think I will get a little bit awkward.
What would you say your love language is?
Physical touch. It's probably words of affirmation.
But also like doing.
Take me out for dinner.
Active service.
Buy me clothes.
Teardrop, honey.
My love language, music, funk, rhythm.
Just the little things that get me high and keep me going. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it. Just a little things for you and I. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it. Just a little things that get me high and keep me going. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it. Just a little things that get me high and keep me going. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it.
What time is it when the party starts?